Hi viewers, welcome to LMS AI. Today we are going to see in the important AI template for useful for research. That is nothing but a chat with the PDF. Why it is important when the researcher want to do some literature review for a particular field. They need to read several research paper. Reading that several paper, it will be very headache. Not to simplify that the reading and extracting the detail from the that research paper, that the chat with PDF template is very useful for that researcher. Just you click this LMS AI chat with PDF. Once you click this one, you can see this dashboard of the chat with the PDF. You have different details. So here you have to choose that research paper, and then you have to upload that research paper. After uploading the research paper, here you will see the dashboard for giving that input. What kind of that mean you have to raise a question based upon the question. It will be see that detail in the PDF, and that it going to be provide the that extracted data from that PDF. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the file here. Just I'm going to download. I'm going to analyze two papers. First I'm going to analyze this paper. This I don't know about this paper. Just I'm going to open and upload that paper. Now it is the PDF is indexing. You have to wait for some time. The paper everything uploaded. Now here there is one dashboard is there. In this dashboard you can give the input. You can raise the question. Just I'm going to provide main findings of the paper. Like that I'm going to provide. I'm sending the question. After reading the question, it provide the main findings. It's showing that the main finding of the paper highlight the multifaceted challenges opportunity associated with the development of solar energy system in the remote area of Iran. So it going to be read that full detail of the paper, and it provide that main findings. Just I'm going to what is the novelty of this paper. Just I'm going to provide this question and send the question to the LMS AI, and thinking this detail and read the paper. Now it provide the novelty of the paper. Okay, and also for every question you are raising, every question at the end, it provide that possible questions you can ask from that particular research paper. Here you can see it provide 5 research question from that paper. Just I'm going to copy this question and paste here and send. Again, it analyze the paper according with the question we are raising, and then it will be provide the answers from that research paper. If you want to analyze another paper, just you reset and here choose the file, and I'm going to select this file and upload. Wait for some time. It uploading. That means once uploaded completed, then you will see this question window. Just I'm going to ask what is the title of the paper. So just I'm going to provide the title. Here they provide the title of the paper. For checking purpose only I'm providing this one. So now I'm going to ask summarize the paper. You can ask any question, any research question for your literature review. Based upon that question you are provided, it's going to be take the detail from the research paper and display the result here. And also here it provide the different questions also. You can ask this question also. Okay, and then you can get the detail from the research paper. If you want to analyze each research paper without reading, just you can use this chat with PDF LMS AI template, and you can do that literature very easily. Okay, thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.